Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Coin-du-Banc, a peaceful village nestled along the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. The name Coin-du-Banc translates to corner of the beach, which perfectly captures the charm of this coastal community. Located about 10 kilometers from Percé, this area is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich history. As we drive through, you'll notice the expansive beach stretching nearly 7 kilometers. This serene shoreline is a favorite spot for both locals and visitors, offering a tranquil setting for walks, picnics, and birdwatching. The nearby Malbaie Barachois, a mix of fresh and salt water, creates a unique habitat that attracts a variety of bird species, making it a popular destination for bird enthusiasts. Coin-du-Banc has a rich history dating back to the early 19th century. The Mabe family, originally from Jersey, played a significant role in the development of the village. They established businesses in fishing, shipbuilding, and even operated a lobster cannery. Geologically, the area is fascinating. The shoreline near Coin-du-Banc showcases unique rock formations, including upended Carboniferous rocks and steeply dipping Silurian limestones. These features provide a glimpse into the complex geological history of the region. As we continue our drive, take a moment to appreciate the blend of natural beauty and historical significance that Coin-du-Banc. Whether you're here for the scenery, the history, or simply a peaceful retreat, this village has a special charm that's hard to forget.
Thanks for watching!